Good morning and welcome once again to the shop here at New Traditions. My name is Dan Daniels. It's a beautiful March morning outside. The sun is shining. It's been an interesting winter this winter, 20 and 21, but looks like we're on the getting close to the end of it. Now we get to face the spring storms and the tornadoes and the severe winds and all that kind of stuff. Hey, I wanted to share with you a little bit about what's going on in the shop. I haven't made an update video for a while, and it's been busy. That's why I haven't done an update video. Just extremely busy here. We're so blessed to be selling so many instruments and shipping them all over the world, which is really pretty cool for me anyway. So we'll start off with this guy. Now, they're all kind of in rough shape, but this will be pardon the confusion here, this will be a teardrop made out of Oregon myrtle. There's the frame. Here's the top. The top is Port Orford cedar. It's just a beautiful wood. I really wish I could capture the curl and the ribbon on these videos, but this will be there's a little bit of it there. This will be the top, and this is the myrtle back for that instrument. This is just gorgeous master grade myrtle, lots of curl in it, great grain. That's the back for this one. This one is going to Australia, to Brian down there, and hopefully that will be shipping by the end of this month. This is a New Traditions hourglass baritone. This is made out of cherry. Again, we're using the three-piece tuning head, or the headstock, and I really like this. It's just simply because it gives a different visual element. Cherry, these are all 25-inch VSL, by the way. Cherry headstock, cherry sides, and this will be a baritone. And this one is headed to Jarl in Utah. And here's the back. This is a beautiful back. Cherry, of course. I've yet to decide. I think I need to get my customer in on this decision, whether I want to use this side as the show side or this side as the show side. I kind of like these features down here. So that guy is going to Utah, and this one will be heading out to Idaho sometime next month in April. A really nice cherry, and I got a really nice cherry back for it. I really like the features of this back. There's some little things in here that you might not be able to see on the camera, but this is a beautiful cherry back that will be headed along with that instrument, headed to Idaho. And this one is headed to California. This is a Purple Heart hourglass. Here's the top for it. This is an amazing Alaska Sitka spruce top. And again, I apologize if the camera or it's probably operator error. I can't get the beauty of this wood on the camera, which is unfortunate. So that's the top for this one. And then here's the frame. And this is Purple Heart. Again, three-piece headstock. What I was going to note too, the instrument going to Australia is a 3-string. So we specifically cut the headstock for just 3 strings, and it'll be set up as a 3-string instrument. Here's the Purple Heart. This one is headed to California. This is the frame, book match sides, of course, and it will have a K&K pickup installed in it. Here's the back for that Purple Heart instrument. I need to find a way that I can show off the colors and the grains in these woods because they are beautiful. So that's my Purple Heart that's going to California. And here is, lastly, my next Purple Heart. So if you want to order the next Purple Heart that's being built, we had a lot of interest in this one that I'm building now for California. This is really heavy wood. It will have a robust sound to it. It'll be paired with a Alaska Sitka spruce top, as will the one going to California, a straight grain, very fine grain spruce top. But this is our next Purple Heart Dulcimer. And if you, as quickly as the last one sold, it sold in less than 12 hours. If you're interested in ordering any of our instruments with the stimulus checks and all those things that are going on, we've been really busy. So if you're interested and you want to get on our waiting list, we're about 6 weeks out. Be sure to contact us ASAP to get on the list. Like I said, we're about 6 weeks out, and sometimes it may be even shorter than that, but to be safe, that's what we're looking at. So we've got a new Purple Heart coming on. We've got a Myrtle, 2 cherries, and a Purple Heart Dulcimer just nearing completion. And that's about it from New Traditions here in Somerset, Indiana. Beautiful March day, clear blue skies and sunny skies. So I'm going to spend a lot of time sitting in the sunshine today. Lord bless you guys. See you next time.